Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, as you know that this is your second period of maths, and you know that in maths we have completed chapter 5, that is division. Okay, so now today this is your activity, and you have to complete this activity in your maths book. Okay, don't do this activity in notebooks or A4 sheet. Okay, you have to complete this activity in your maths book, and it is given on page number 98. Okay, now I am going to explain this activity. You have to complete. Queen Maya has a big castle. Okay, castles are a type of home built to protect the people inside. To enter this castle, one needs a password. Solve the sums to find the password in order to enter the castle. Students, Queen Maya has a big castle, okay? And castles are a type of home built to protect two peoples, okay? And to enter this castle, okay, इस कैसल में एंटर करने के लिए हमें किसकी नीड है? एक पासवर्ड की नीड है. ओके, एंड जैसे हम किसी फ़ोन में, अगर हमें किसी का फ़ोन चलाना है तो सबसे पहले हमें उसका पासवर्ड भी पता होना चाहिए, है ना? तो जब तक हम उसमें पासवर्ड फ़ोन में उस पासवर्ड को एंटर नहीं करेंगे तब तक फ़ोन अनलॉक नहीं होगा. सेम हियर, हमें क्या करना है? इस कैसल में एंटर करना है, जिसके लिए हमें एक पासवर्ड चाहिए. एंड पासवर्ड कैसे मिलेगा हमें? उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? वी हैव टू सॉल्व द सम्स टू फाइंड द पासवर्ड. ओके, इन सम्स को हमें सॉल्व करना है उस पासवर्ड को फाइंड करने के लिए, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू एंटर द कैसल. Okay beta, and here the given code is, okay, first we have to solve the sums. After that the given code is mathematics. Okay, this is the hint of password. With the help of this hint we find the password. Okay, how? Let's see. 8 plus 1 is equal to, you all know about, it's very easy. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, and 9 is the value of a. 9 is equal to a. Okay, next is 1 multiply by 1. I told you that whenever we multiply any number by 1 we get the same answer. Okay, so it is 1. Okay, and 1 is equal to m. Next, 5 divided by 5. Okay, you know that when we divided any number by itself we get the answer 1. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, and 1 is equal to O. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3, and it is n. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, because whenever we divide any number by itself we get the answer 1. Okay, similarly 4 divided by 4 is 1. Next is 27 divided by 3. Okay, so 3 9s are 27. The answer is 9. Next, 18 divided by 2. So students, 2 9s are 18, so answer is 9. That is S. 14 divided by 2, 2 7s are 14, it is 7. And 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 4 5s are 20. And 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. And 16 divided by 4 we get the answer 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 4. Okay students, now next 16 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. So answer is 8. That is V. 24 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. So the answer is 8. That is C. 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. 20 divided by 5, the answer is 4. Okay beta, now we have solved it. Now given code is mathematics. Okay, so the password to enter the castle is. Now what we have to do, we will see the value of these alphabets. Okay, in which place these alphabets are given. Okay, here. So M. Now find where is M. Yes, it is M. So what is the value of M? M is equal to 1. So we will write here 1 like this. Next alphabet is A. So now we will find out the value of A. So can you tell me what is the value of A? Yes, it is 9. 9 is equal to A. So we can write here 9 in place of A. Next is T. Now find out where is T. M, N, R, V, C, Z. Yes, it is T. So the value of T is 5. T is equal to 5. And H. H is equal to 4. E. E is equal to, yes, E is equal to 9. And M is equal to again M. So the value of M is 1. Okay, so we will write here 1 like this. Next A. And the value of A 9. So we will write here 9. Next is T. So T, the value of T is 5. So we will write here 5. And next is I. Where is I? Yes, no, yes, it is I. So the value of I is 7. So we will write here 7 like this. Next is C. Yes, it is C. You can see here. And 8 is equal to C. So we can write here 8. And the value of S. Where is S? Yeah, yes, 9 is equal to S. So we will write here 9 like this. Okay students, now your activity is complete. Okay, you can check your activity from this video. Thank you and have a nice day.